I'm actually going to show you how you can able to make your first 72 US dollars online just by doing simple tasks. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how you can able to get a free 72 USDT of Tron TRX. So if you are actually interested in a video like this, then kindly do me a favor by smashing the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. As you can see, I'm actually having over 72 US dollars on my wallet over here. So I'm actually going to be showing you step by step how you can able to make that money for yourself. So without further ado, let's dive into the main video. Alright, so this is the Telegram interface over here. So we are actually going to be using a two sites that we can use it to generate this amount of money. Alright, so the first board that we are actually going to be using is called Create Airdrop. Alright, so this is the first board that we are actually going to be using. Alright, so to click on it, you can see that click on start. Alright, so this is the interface over here. So for you to be able to get this token, you have to join this over here. So click on this link over here. This is the link over here. Alright, so make sure that you join the official channel over here. Click on join and also get back. Alright, then click on continue. Alright, so they are saying that congratulations, I have received a 10,000 of credit. So we are actually going to converting this token into a TRX. So stick to this video, don't skip any part, otherwise you'll miss important parts. Alright, so they are saying that you have received a bonus of 100,000 credits for this airdrop. So for us to withdraw, so let click on withdraw and let me show you. Alright, so for us to withdraw, we need to have a minimum of 200,000 credits before you can able to withdraw. So right now we have 100,000 credits. So what are you going to do to get that additional 100,000 credits? So click on this redeem code over here, and I'm actually going to paste this code over here. So this is the code over here. So this is the code over here. I will leave this code in the description or comment section, so you can also check it out. So click on it. Alright, you can see that congratulations, you have successfully redeemed 100,000 credits token. So right now we are finally able to withdraw our token over here. Alright, then click on this 4 dots over here, click on it and click on withdraw. Alright, so they are saying that we have to set our wallet in order to able to withdraw. So I'm actually going to be showing you another wallet that we are actually going to be using to withdraw this credit over here and also convert to TRX. Alright, so the next wallet that we are actually going to be using is called Meta Pocket. So just go to the Telegram and search Meta Pocket. Alright, don't worry, I will leave the link in the description. You can check the link down. It will direct you to Telegram straight. Alright, so this is the wallet that we are going to be using to withdraw our credit and convert it into TRX. So click on start. And they are saying that we have to access the wallet. So click on access the wallet and click on Meta Pocket. Alright, so we can see that our balance is 0 over here. So all you have to do is come and click on the receive section over here. So click on receive over here. You can see. Alright, so select an action for the Tron then click on receive. Alright, then they copy the wallet address over here. Then let's get back to the Create app. Alright, so we are actually on the Create app. So they are saying that we have to impute our Tron wallet over here. So we have copied the Tron. Let it paste over here. So you can see that we have finally linked our wallet to it. Then click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, they will ask you to input the amount that you want to withdraw. So input the 200,000 that we got, 200,000 that we got. Then click on send. Alright, you can see the withdrawal processing. Airdrop withdrawal successful. Your payment request credit is successful. So let's go to the wallet and see whether we have received our credit token over there. Alright, so guys, this is our Meta Pocket wallet over here. You can see that we have finally received our 72 USDT over here. So what we are actually going to do is we are actually going to convert this credit token over here to TRX token over here. So you can see that. So click on exchange over here. Alright, so finally we are actually going to convert our credit to TRX token. So click on it and scroll down over here and find the credit. So this is the credit over here. You can see that we are having a balance of 200,000. So and click on it. So you can convert to any token. So I prefer a Tron. So then input the amount that you want to convert. So let's convert all the amount. Alright, then click. So when you convert this credit token, you will receive 267 TRX over here. So let's click on exchange, click on convert successful. So they are saying that you have to get a gas fee. So this is what you have to do. All you have to do is to go to either Binance or other wallet and go and make a transaction of 12 TRX so that you can able to convert it. So if you're actually interested in this video and you want me to bring you more updates about this, kindly do me a favor by smashing the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates. This is what I have for you. Peace out.